Okay. We'll start with introduction. Please give me your introduction. Anyone? iPhone, Lucy, Bala, Robert, Sheikh Rafi, Suraj Gaud, Garud, sorry. Please, anyone? Please unmute and speak so that I came to know what is your name and where are you from and what is your background and you're working or not.
Hi, this is Robert.
Yeah, hi, Robert.
Hi. So actually, I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So currently, I'm working as a tester in TCS. So I'm just looking forward to do something in testing. I just want to learn the automation. So so for that only, I just attended this master class. Whether I can do it.
So testing means in which testing you are doing?
I'm doing ETL testing.
ETL testing. Okay, nice.
ETL testing.
How many experience you have?
10 plus years of experience I am having. So currently, I'm doing
So
ETL
10
testing.
means, yeah, 10 means overall 10
In
years you're
testing.
working in ETL only or what?
No, no. Overall experience, I having 12 plus. So in that 10 plus years of in testing only I worked. So previously when I started, I worked as a manual tester. After that, I get into the ETL testing. So after I just want to upgrade myself, so I joined this course.
Then Robert, you're working right now in
Yes,
TCS? Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
Chennai.
Thank you, Robert. Yeah, Chen.
And
Thank you. Thank you, Robert. And anyone else?
Yeah, this is Sheikh. I have
Yeah, hi, Bala.
completed MCA and hello.
Hello,
Yeah,
I'm audible?
My voice is
Suraj. Is that
Yeah,
Suraj?
yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Hey, hi.
Yeah, you're audible, Suraj.
So,
Please
yeah,
tell me.
yeah. So I'm Suraj, and I'm currently working in Infosys as a SAP testing functional consultant, and I would like to learn the automation, TOSCA automation mostly, so that I can
So,
take further opportunity in
what,
TOSCA, as
what
mostly
consultant? May I know once again, please?
SAP testing functional consultant.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. So,
functional,
in which
manual.
location you're working, Suraj?
I'm currently working in Nagpur location.
Bangalore,
Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay.
Yeah.
So, how many experience that you have?
I have more than 7 years of experience in SAP. Okay, and just
Okay.
yeah, prior that I was
Mm,
in manufacturing industry. My total year of experience is 11 years.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay, Suraj. Thank you.
thank you.
And iPhone, Lucy, Sheikh Rafi.
Hey, hello everyone, myself Prithvi. I am from Hyderabad. I'm currently working as a test engineer in a Wipro. So I would like to update
iPhone,
this.
something, I mean, may I know what is your real name? It's showing
Prithvi,
iPhone. So
Prithvi,
that's why I'm asking it.
yeah, Prithvi,
Sorry?
Prithvi.
Can you? I'm so sorry. It's not audible properly. I can't able to hear you. So please
Prithvi.
speak louder. Prithvi.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So basically, I'm from Hyderabad. I'm currently working as a test engineer in a Wipro. So I would like to upgrade my skills on just on automation, TOSCA automation. Just while scrolling Instagram, I saw this like related
So,
to
no,
TOSCA automation.
yeah.
So one of
So
my
you're
friends
working in
suggested, yeah,
you're
manual
working
testing.
as a manual testing.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, that's what I want to know. Okay. So in which location? Hyderabad, right?
yeah.
Okay. And okay, thank you, Prithvi. And Lucy, Bala is
Hi,
over, right?
no, hi.
Bala?
I
Hi, hi.
think it's still okay.
Lucy Bala wrote. It's
Yeah,
your full name.
yeah, it is Lucy.
Sorry.
Hello? It is
Yeah.
Lucy only.
Okay, Lucy.
Mm,
Okay.
I worked on manual testing on Capgemini since 3 years, so I want to change my profile and job role. So I want to learn TOSCA.
Okay. In which location you're working, Lucy?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Lucy, are you there?
Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah. Hyderabad, right?
yes.
Okay. And
Hello?
Sheikh, yeah.
No,
Sheikh Rafi.
Yeah, my voice is audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Please,
Hello? Yeah, my name
could
is
you
Sheikh
please?
Rafi.
Yeah.
Uh, I have a 2 year of experience in manual testing and 2 year experience in web development. And I'm
Okay.
looking a
And
job in a automation. So that
you're working right now or what?
I'm working in manual testing.
In manual tester, you're working. So in which location you're working, Sheikh
Yes.
Rafi?
Um, Working in a Gulbarga, in Karnataka.
Gul. Okay, Gulbarga. Is there any IT companies in Gulbarga?
2, 3 Standard Touch and eCrams,
Because I never
WebTech.
heard.
Only 3, 4.
Also, you're doing you're working in office or work from home job?
Work from home. So
Work from home. Okay, okay.
I am from
Yeah,
Latur, but my job
yeah.
location is in Gulbarga.
Okay. So you all people are working. It's great to heard. Okay, and
Switch into automation.
okay, okay. Tell me. So let me introduce myself. Okay. So my name is Afroz Begum, and I will be the instructor for this TOSCA automation testing. So thank you for joining us today for this special masterclass on this testing course. I'm just looking forward to walking you through this session, which has the potential to shape the next step in your career. So I just wanna say, and I just wanna introduce my background and expertise. I have completed my graduation in electronics and communication engineer. So before saying my current field, I want to say something about my background. So I came from a non-IT background. First of all, I was able to build a rewarding IT career with a great package, but it's all due to the expertise and I gained in software testing. So my guts is my strong feeling is if I can achieve it, you can too. And this is my introduction. So let me share my screen. So is this visible, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, I want to introduce my eTech Academy. So all you know about it is an online education platform and which helps students to learn new skills and which helps them in entering into the IT field. So I'm proud to represent eTech, a top tier online education platform committed to help students achieve success. So our TOSCA automation testing course at eTech is specifically designed to prepare you for a career as a non-coding and non-script. It's non-coding and scriptless software engineer. So let us understand first what is software testing. I just want to give a overview of software testing. I'm not taking a lag or longer duration of this testing, because you all know about what is software testing. So just see, it is a method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure the software product is defect free. So what is this meaning actually? See, our main goal is to check the software whether the software is defect free. And the second thing is to need remember is expected requirements meet with the actual requirements. Expected mean what? What we are assumed. And actual mean what we are seeing with eyes, by our own eyes. That is the actual result. Actual requirement and expected requirement. You all know the difference between what is expected and actual. So this is all about software testing. And here there are two types of software testing. So as you know, manual testing, automation testing, right? So first of all, our main goal when we are doing a testing, what is our ultimate goal? Our ultimate goal is to identify the errors, gaps, missing requirements in contrast to actual requirements. We need to keep in mind about this main purpose. Let us understand what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. So manual testing means what? Basically, in manual way, it is the nothing but the human sitting in front of a system and then manually executing all test cases. But here, in the automated way, we create automated scripts, right? And that script we run in automated way. By run the automated script, we don't need any human interaction between that. I mean, of any test cases, and automatically executes and checks, generates reports for us in the manual way. And we have to do manually perform the test cases and then execute all test cases and then perform, right? What? And then give a manual report, right? This is the way we are know about and we are doing. So it is like that. So two more things to remember in software testing. One is white box testing and black box testing. What is that? I just give a brief definition of that. If you, I mean, if you entered in main sessions, right, you will know all this about very deep and in detail. So white box testing is actually the testing the application, I mean, or software, that internal structure of application. And black box testing means we don't do any internal structure or any internal problems. We only check external features, what that particular software is providing us. All the features, all the things that we have seen that we do in the black box testing. So UI, user interface, like application, what we have seen, if you take a web applications like Mintra or bank applications or insurance applications, what we have seen. So there is application, right? If you open a Mintra or Amazon, what we have seen, that is UI, user interface application, right? That we called as black box testing, that we are doing that. And what white box testing of the internal structure, right? And internal things of a particular software. So this is the basic intro of software testing. But why we need to do a software testing? Okay, what is software testing? All we know that. Okay, and why? Why we need to do a software testing? So let us see. The software testing is very important. But what is the need of software testing? That we should know. As you can see, the software testing is important because with that, we can find bugs, errors of it. And bugs and errors can be found as early as possible before we deliver the particular software to the client. And with this software testing, we can easily find the bugs in an application because properly tested software product ensure the reliability, security, and high performance, which further results in time saving, customer satisfaction, and cost effectiveness. So this is why the software testing is very important. Okay, what I will ask you, what is the need of software testing? So now, till now, what we discuss, why we need to do a software testing, that's okay. But what is the need of software testing? We all should know about that, right? So as you know, software testing is needed to solve errors, bugs in an application. And why bugs or errors could be expensive and dangerous? So that's why it is called human loss or monetary loss. So there are many examples in history of human mankind. So do you know any about history of human mankind? I mean, see, due to software bugs, like I know two or three examples. See, if you go in 2015 timeline, one big incident is happened. A fighter plane, F-35, was not able to target an enemy fight plane. So due to software bugs. And another example I will give you. In 1999, April, $1.2 million were lost in military satellite launch due to the software bug. Now, this was costliest accident ever in the history. Just because of a software bug, this happened. So this is why the software testing is very, very, very important. And one more example I will give. 1963 May, the bank account of 823 people in US got credited of $920 million. This was again the biggest accident in history of human mankind. Just because bugs are there. So this is why the software errors we need to solve for that. We need a software thing. The software testing is very important. So let's I can see. I just stop what is software testing and let's enter in what is TOSCA automation testing. Um, do you know about any TOSCA automation testing? Anything?
Not much.
Okay, let me tell you. Uh, I just wanna say you what is TOSCA. TOSCA is a software tool used for automation testing, which means it helps check if a software or application works correctly without doing all the testing manually. It is developed by Tricentis company and is very popular because you don't need, you don't have to be a programmer to use it. I mean to say, no coding needed here. And it is very easy to use. It has a simple and user-friendly interface. And if you see a testing speed, it is very fast. It saves time by automating repetitive testing tasks. Okay. And see, now I am here. One slide is no coding, easy to use, fast testing. And what does Tosca do? See, Tosca helps you. It can, test applications. It can test websites like web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, software. If you take any software applications, API applications, Salesforce, okay, SAP applications also, DevOps applications, anything you can test by using this tool. And instead of clicking buttons or typing manually, Tosca performs these actions automatically. And it helps find errors in software before it is released to users. And you can use the same test again and again, and you can save time and you can save efforts. But why is Tosca important? It helps companies deliver high quality software faster, and it can reduces the chances of human errors during testing. And you can work with modern technologies, and you can work with different tools used in software development. See, Tosca is perfect for beginners and professionals because it is easy to learn and very effective. It is widely used by companies around the world, which means learning Tosca can open up great career opportunities for you. But we should know how does Tosca works. See, Tosca is a tool that helps test the software automatically. Here is how it works in we know in simple steps. Create test cases. So see, Tosca, you tell Tosca what to check in the software, like buttons, text boxes, or processes. This is done using a simple drag and drop method. Drag and drop method. So no coding is needed. And Tosca runs your test cases automatically. For example, it can click buttons fill forms, or check if pages load correctly. And after running the test, TOSCA tells you if everything is working fine or if there are any problems. Any problems means bugs. And once you create a test cases, you can use it again for similar test task, and you can save time and efforts also. But why should you learn TOSCA? You can save time. That is the first thing. And automating test, whatever you have created is faster than manual testing. And here no programming needed. It is easy to use for beginners. And many companies uses TOSCA, so it is great for your career. And it works with web applications, mobile applications, API applications, and so on. But how to start learning TOSCA? So simple steps I can say, just learn the basics. Understand what testing is and how TOSCA helps. You can use TOSCA to create and run simple test cases. And you can join a TOSCA training program to learn step by step. And you can earn a certifications like Tri-Scientist TOSCA Automation Specialist to show your skills. Okay. I hope you got it, guys, what I'm saying. You clear everything?
Yes.
See, there are many benefits of testing course. So first thing is it is very fast and it is more accurate. So you can automate repetitive tasks so you can run test cases quickly and frequently. And whatever you have created test cases, test run the same way every time and reducing mistakes. And you can create and manage a test using a simple visual model, and here no heavy coding needed. So here, see, it supports many technologies, and you can work with web application, mobile applications. Already you know that, and test the most critical parts of your application first, and based on potential risk. Okay, and see, even those with little coding experience can design and run test. See, you are testing whatever. See, you are testing a product, right? Not testing if you develop the product, then you will deliver to the customer. But what if we find a bug before delivering to the client? It could be easy to fix the bug, and it could be less costlier than rather than fixing the bug. After that, particular software is delivered to the particular customer. So software testing helps improve finding the bugs and improve that particular software before delivering the product. As you know, fixing the bug before delivering the product is much more easier, right? So this is cost effectiveness. So software testing increases the cost effectiveness. Okay. And people nowadays need trusted software, right? So whatever you're making, they need trusted thing from you. So anyone needs trusted software. So security is another factor that ensures the software testing, and it helps reducing the risk of particular software before the delivering the product to the customer. It increases the security and reducing the risk of any kind of problem or bugs or anything into the software. It is how the particular software is impacted by the software testing. And whenever you use the software, whenever you buy something or anything, you deliver to particular client and you check the product quality, right? Correct? You want to deliver the best quality and they want best quality software. So how to ensure to delivering the best quality product to the customer? This is done by the software testing. As you test to and more, your product quality will increase. So whatever the application, whatever the product, whatever the application, okay, you making the applications and developing. By doing the testing, we increase the product quality. So this is one of the main factors that you need to keep in mind. And this is the main and final goal of any product, any software company, to deliver the best customer satisfaction from their product. And how can you can achieve this? By testing the user interface or user experience to increase the user experience. Makes better and increasing the customer satisfaction. So finally, any company or any software is to deliver the best product to the customer, then the best customer satisfaction from the software or any product. So these are all the factors, these are all benefits by doing the software testing. So every time you get a bug, you should always think that bug before delivering the software to the customer. After that, that bug will be expensive or more difficult to fix it. That we should not think. So these are all the benefits of software testing. Okay. And next, I wanna say, see, mm, uh, see at eTech we offer a course on Tosca, one of the most popular tools for automation testing. And this course is designed for anyone who wants to learn how to test software quickly and easily using automation. So Tosca is unique because it does not require coding skills, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. But what you will learn in this course, so first what Tosca is, okay, and why it is important for testing, and how Tosca helps test different software like websites, mobile applications, and API applications. And just very key, I mean, few key topics we should cover in sessions. Uh, how you create the test cases, okay, and you should learn to design test cases without writing any code, and you can understand how to execute test and check for errors, and you can learn to handle and reuse data efficiently during testing, and you can automating test cases. You can use Tosca to automatically test software, saving time and effort. And you can learn how Tosca works with tools like Jira and other software development platforms. So work on real life testing projects, practice creating and running automated tests step by step, and you can solve problems you may face while testing. See, if you are beginner for Tosca automation testing, if you are new to software testing, this course will teach you the basics and automation. And if you are a manual tester, this course helps you move into automation testing roles. And if you are already entered in IT professionals or you came from IT professionals, anyone looking to learn a new skill and boost their career. Why learn Tosca means, if you ask me, no coding needed here. So Tosca is simple to use and doesn't require programming knowledge. It is highly demand. So many companies need professionals who know how to use Tosca. And Tosca can test all kinds of software and making it useful for many industries. So what is included in course? So step-by-step tutorials on how to use Tosca and hands-on project to practice testing and preparation for certifications like Tri-Scientist Tosca Automation Specialist. And after completing this course, you can work as automation test engineer, quality assurance tester, software testing consultant. I am the quality assurance tester. Okay. I'm working as a QA engineer in one product-based company. At eTech, we make sure you learn through practical experience and expert guidance. By the end of this course, you will be confident in using Tosca tool and ready to start um, or grow your career in software testing. Okay. So at eTech Academy, we offer a Tosca course designed to help you learn software testing with ease. Okay. And this course duration is 40 to 45 days and depends on your grasping power. Okay. And if you slow, if it will go 1 or 2 more days. Okay. And it depends on also doubt sessions. So I think course fee you should contact with eTech. Um, and payment plans or installments are available to make it easier for you, and you can learn from the comfort of your home because it is online classes. In-person classes is not available. And what you will get here, so training from professionals experience in Tosca and software testing, and real world examples and tasks to practice what you learn. And you can prepare for certification like guidance for clearing the Tri-Scientist Tosca automation specialist certification exam, and access to study materials, recorded sessions, and one by one. Like I can take a doubt clearing sessions, and I just want to tell one more thing. See, if you ask me like benefits of taking a testing course. Yes, obviously, if you taking a testing course has many benefits. Like testing is an important job, and many companies need skilled testers. You will learn how to find or fix problems, use testing tools, and make sure things work properly. And a testing certificate can make your resume stronger and help you get noticed by employers. And career growth also. Testing skills can help you get promotions or move into higher roles. And this course
Can
teach you
you
the latest
excuse me?
tools.
Excuse me. Can you explain us means how we are going to do the course means on which platform is it on Trash and TOSCA? Is it a license available with you or how it is?
This is not a paid tool or I have a license. This because Tricentis company provide you a trial version tool. Okay. I will share the link with you. Okay. When you entered in main sessions. So I will teach you how the installation is happened. Just you need to register in Tricentis. Okay. After that, you get the license. Just there is a link. If you go and click on that, and you get the license. Just it takes a few minutes. After deployed, okay, you can install this Tosca tool. I will
No, but
tell you
on that
everything.
learning license, can we learn means a live project or a real time experience? How we could get this on the
Yeah,
learning tool?
live experience means, see, I will take a web application and vehicle insurance application. I will teach you everything. Actually, I wanna show Tosca. I just wanna share with you like a brief explanation. I want to tell you. This is the tool actually, Tosca tool. I'm using it in my system from last 5 or 6 months. And since 5 months, I'm using this tool actually. There is no validity. Actually, everyone saying like 2 months or 3 months. But I'm using my personal ID, email ID, and I install in my system. So there is no limitations
Are they
actually.
taking personal IDs or they required a company ID or something like this? They are allowed
No
to take
company,
personal ID.
not company ID. Yeah, they allow personal ID actually. So this tool is a German application. Almost it comes in market a few years. I mean, it can be developed by Tricentis company. So that's why it gives a name Tricentis Tosca. Tool name is Tosca and which is developed by Tricentis. It is
Right.
developed because end-to-end automation. End-to-end means what? Requirement analysis. All we know that SDLC and STLC. So requirement analysis to test execution, reporting, and closure, everything. So if you take Selenium, but Selenium we should use different tools like requirement analysis, for defect tracking, we can use Jira tool. For reports, there is a tool like TestMG and automation, Selenium. But Tosca, it is a single platform. You can see SDLC phases here. That's why it is called as end-to-end automation platform. And it uses model-based testing. So see, first let us understand what is model-based testing technique. If you see other automation tools, there is no particular model, right? We just simply write code and we are going to execute that code. But in Tosca, it is completely no code and scriptless. But what we will do, whatever we want to do with the automated of the application, then first we scan and create a model, right? And we will arrange the models in a sequence manner and executed it. So I will tell you everything. First, whatever you are seeing right now, this is a Tosca commander. Okay. Here, where we create, execute, and organize in Tosca Commander. In this, first we plan, then we will write the test cases and develop the test cases and executed them. And that reports like test summary result reports generated in this Tosca Commander. So once we install this Tosca in our system, we can use Tosca Commander tool. This is a one of the there is a components like Tosca Commander, Tosca Xcan, Tosca Executor, Tosca Repository. So Tosca Commander, I wanna just see. uh, I will give a brief explanation. TOSCA Commander is one of the essential parts of this tool for developing, managing, and analyzing test cases. So it is the core backbone of the TOSCA test suite, and it is used for creating projects. So the TOSCA Commander built with different sessions like such as requirement, modules, test case design, execution, issues, everything. So here, if you see, you can create a project. There is a option like create new project, right? So we can create a single user workspace also and multiple user workspace also. Just see whatever you are seeing, right? Tosca tutorial, Tosca training one. These are the workspaces that I have already created for batches. And this is the separate batch. This is a separate batch. This is a separate batch. Already we created modules, test cases, everything. I will show you everything. So you could see the name. Just I wanna show you here. When I click on that, there is a pop-up window. This is a Tosca command, create new workspace, right? And here see, already by default it is a none, but it means single user workspace. And you could see the names of databases. These names of databases are present under the repository. Okay. So whatever the project are creating, that will go and store in the repository. So repository means what? Database. And you can see the names of database, SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2. So now we are, I mean, not now. In further, we are going to with a single user workspace. It means if you don't select any database, it is treated as a single user workspace, right? Whatever the project that you are creating, it will be accessing only by you. Why we are not connecting with the database? Because for that, right? If we want to connect with databases, it is a multi-user. You can select any database, but we don't have any access for that, right? And what is single user workspace? So wherever you are located at different places, and everyone has their own laptop, and everyone created one project and work on this TOSCA. So when you created single user workspace, only yourself can access the project what you have created. And as soon as if I selected database, if you take MS SQL Server, okay, repository, that input has been changed, right? There are various options. In real time, when you're working on this TOSCA, whatever the projects, that company creating that will be multi-user workspace. So multi-user means maybe in a project there are 10 people, 20 people, everybody can access the same project, right? And they want to access this TOSCA and they want access the project which is created for everyone. So whenever they select any kind of repository as a database, uh, you can select this option when you're working in real time. And here there is a schema. Also, I mean, I will tell you everything in further session. And here by using a single user workspace, we can create a workspace. Okay. And I will explain everything. There is a checkbox. I mean, if I select a single user workspace, there is a checkbox, standard.tcu. And it is also main thing. I will explain in what is standard.tsu. Okay. TSU means TOSCA subset. And that is also one important point that you have to know and that should understand. Okay. And next, I will show you, and I just want to enter one of the batch. As I told you, there are different sessions like requirement sections, modules, test case design, execution, issues. Everything is there. See, already I have created these modules for another batch, modules, test case design, executions, batch book. Not here. Sorry. When you enter in TOSCA Commander, you can see all this. So you see test cases, execution, modules, issues, reporting, requirements, test case design, test planning, data integrity testing, everything you can see here. It's like SPLC phases. Just I will give a brief explanation. Requirement means what? Requirements related information we can store here. And modules. This is a module section. So modules in TOSCA Commander contain a technical information. These all, whatever you have seen here, this is a technical information. Okay. See, you will know about how we will create and everything. See, that is used to state text object. Whenever we create a test case for a text object, we need to create a module in TOSCA Commander for each functional unit of the object to be tested. And this is the test case. So technical components of any test cases are saved here. And this is the test case design. The test data which are required to execute any specific test cases can be kept in test case design. In this approaches helps to manage test data in efficient and dynamic way. And this is execution section. And it can be done, I mean, whatever you want to execute the test execution management can be done through this section. So we can define execution list, trigger execution, and analyzing the execution logs to investigate any issues. And this is Scratchbook. So it is used to perform trial runs while creating the test cases. It allows us to execute the scripts in test case folder level, test case level, and test step level. What is test case? This is the folder. Okay. So I will show you. So this is the test case folder. This is the test case. And this is the test step. Okay. That is the meaning of that. So Scratchbook displays the flash status of the execution. And this execution status will not be stored anywhere if you execute in Scratchbook. If you execute in execution log, execution section, you can store the execution logs and you can download the reports and you can refer the screenshots, anything. But what is the difference in executing the test cases from Scratchbook and execution list means? If we execute the test case from Scratchbook, we will just see the flash status. And once the Scratchbook is closed, we can't check the status again. And we can't download the execution report in Scratchbook. If we execute from execution list, okay, we can keep track of execution status and we can also download the reports and we can also verify the screenshots in the reports. Okay. And there is no limitations of TOSCA Scratchbook. We can use Scratchbook for storing the temporary execution logs only. We use this option for this temporary execution during the test case development to check the script accuracy. And if we execute the action repeatedly in a test step, the details will not be accessible. So that's why I'm saying execution logs are also not stored permanently. So TOSCA Scratchbook is not a correct option to keep the execution logs. You can keep execution logs in here only. And see, instead of writing code, so what is module? So I'm going to start automation with the modules only. See, this section is a group or a collection of attributes. See, module contains the technical information which is present in the application. So by creating a module, I'm going to grab the technical information of the objects or attributes which are present in the application. But why do we need to create a module? See, TOSCA automation tool does not require any coding language or any scripting language. If I don't write any coding, if I don't write any scripting, then how will I do automation? So that is the question, right? I can do automation to have something to do the automation. So module of the application will be created instead of scripts and any coding language. I'm just going to create a module of the application and how the application will be reacting in the runtime. It means the runtime behavior of the application is called as a module. And we will see how the application will react. Okay. Because we are not writing any coding or any scripting, then you need to have something to start, right? Then you are going to capture the application in the form of your modules. I just give a simple example. Someone has asked you to visit some address without giving the address. You can't visit that place, right? You need to have some information about this particular thing. So I want to also automate the application. I need to have an information about the controls which are present in the application. So that thing I'm going to create them as a module. This is the reason why we are going to work on modules. So by using these modules, by taking this help, we are going to create a test cases, and here we are going to execute all test cases. Okay, and whatever we have data, we can store the test data here in this section, and I will show you how to execute the test cases in execution section and in Scratchbook also. So this is the overview of TOSCA tool. Uh, I just want to show you how it looks like, and I will tell you what is this options. And when you entered in TOSCA tool, what you need to do, and everything I will tell you. Okay. Do you have any queries, guys?
We are good. I'm good.
Yeah, and
Sorry.
I'm good. I'm good. You can proceed.
Yeah. See. Uh, if you ask me a career growth in testing, see, start as a tester. I mean, if you're already a manual tester or software tester, you can finding bugs and ensuring products work well. And as you gain experience, learn automation tools like TOSCA or Zira to work faster and more efficiently. Just focus on specific area like performance testing, security testing to stand out. So with more experience, you can become a test lead or QA manager, guiding a team and planning test strategies. Okay. And just grow further and explore advanced roles like a test architect, consultant, quality head, where you design entire testing systems, or you can become a lead for large projects. Okay.
Oh,
And
can you explain us about what is Tricentis Q test, new load product? What exactly it was? What is L1, L2, L3 something? I heard about this L1, L2, L3 something. Things are in Tricentis.
sorry, Tricent is what? L1, L2, L3.
Ah, yes, yes. What was that? What is this program?
Okay. Can you please repeat that once again? Please explore your question. Actually, I don't understand
Yeah,
what is L1.
am I audible to you? First, properly,
Please,
am I audible to you?
yeah, you are audible. Please explore your question actually.
Yeah. My question was, I need to learn about something L1, L2, L3. I heard this word. We need to do some programs, right, in L1, L2, L3, in Tricentis, some certification, I think, over there, right? And some,
There is no L1, L2, L3. Maybe you misunderstanding. There is
mhm,
AS1, AS2, AS3. I think so.
Asha, and some
Did you
new
heard?
load. Yeah, yeah, new load, and some Q test product I heard about as well.
I don't. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't. I mean, there is L1, L2, L3. There is a. I mean, I just know AS1, AS2. These kind of things I know. These are the TOSCA specialist one and TOSCA specialist two. What are the concept that you are going to learn? It's kinds of related to that AS1, AS2 topics only. That thing I know, but I don't know L1, L2, L3.
Any SAP path, means how we can reach to cover up all SAP things here.
No, I don't. I mean, I'm not the part of SAP, but I just know that SAP applications we can test by using this TOSCA tool because I'm the part of web applications and insurance applications. So I'm here to teach you web applications. That's why I'm taking the concept of that only related topics so that see once you know these topics, right, you came to know like how to test and how to create that by using, I mean, applications is kind of different, I know, web applications, SAP applications, but you have applications, but how to do and when to do and how to create the scenarios and how to do execute, these all things you should know, right? When you
Yeah.
come to know all these things, you can do anything with your applications. right?
Yeah.
Got it, Suraj?
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Suraj. Anyone else? Any queries? Or you want me to give a feedback for me?
Yeah, I'm
See,
good. Yeah, actually, is this course particularly for only web applications and insurance application, or are we covering Q-test and Neoled or Vision AI also?
no, here my concepts are related to web applications and vehicle insurance applications.
Okay,
I'm not, I mean, here there is no concepts of whatever you said, right?
okay, okay. Yeah, thank you.
That concepts are not here. And I will share you the what is the concepts are involved in my TOSCA tool. Mhm.
Yeah, better. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, this is the concepts. Is that all? So these are the concepts that we are going to teach you. Okay. So did you get this topics? Topics, Prithvi, right?
Actually, your voice is breaking. We are unable to hear you properly.
My voice is breaking. My voice is clear or not?
Yeah, now it's clear.
So these are the concepts that we are going to teach you if you entered in main sessions. Okay.
Sure, sure. I got
Did you,
this. Yeah, thanks. That's it.
you
Just I want to know about like, are we covering
yeah,
those Q-test and all those thing? But it's okay, fine. Thanks.
yeah. Thank you, Prithvi. And anyone else? Anyone like any queries? Or if you have any, please ask me. We all are here to learn something about the testing, right? So please don't hesitate. Please speak up. See, I believe in making classes interactive. So I encourage questions and discussions. Please don't hesitate to speak up if something is unclear. I expect everyone to actively participate and contribute to a respectful learning environment. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you, and I hope we can create a great learning experience together. Please feel free to ask questions if you have any concern or any ideas for me. And my past students, you can listen to the success stories who have successfully transitioned into the IT industry after completing our course. So their achievements highlights the effectiveness of our training. You can if you want to, you can ask. And if you are excited about this opportunity, please just contact with eTech and enroll in our course and take the first step towards a fulfilling career by joining eTech's program. Sorry, guys. Do you have any contact number? eTech contact number? I just share with you. Contact number 970. This is the contact number. If you want to know additional information or to join, please contact this number. eTech here to support your path to success. Okay.
Can you brief about your program? Means what will be the charges and how much month it will take? to
Your
master it?
voice is chopping, Suraj.
Okay.
Please come again.
Hello. Is it fine now?
Yeah, Suraj. Yeah.
Yeah. So, um, can you brief about your program? Means actually how much time it will take to be a master and how are the charges and how what support you are providing while classes and all the things.
Yeah.
And how is the
The
classes is online? Then how much time it is 1 hour or 2 hour per day or it is on weekend or how was that?
See, the duration is 40 to 45 days. Okay, as I told you. In it is morning batches and evening batches are also available. You can choose with your convenience. Okay, and the timings, I'm right now I'm attending the session 11 o'clock, and evening also evening 7 to 8 or 8 to 9, but it depends on totally on students, right? Who wants to learn in about TOSCA. I mean, it depends on their free time. Okay, and it is 1 hour and 1.5 hour. Okay, and if it is and moreover, what is your next question? So here TOSCA, you will get a live session videos, and materials also, interview questions also, that I already prepared that. And moreover, and if you
Where we
have
need
any
to take the
doubts,
certification? Means how we are clear the certifications and where we need to apply for certification.
so your certificate, I'm trying to get the certificates without business email ID, but now if you want a certificates, you need to use a business email ID. You're working, right? You can use a business email ID and you can just register in Tricentis Tosca, and you have to give an exam. Okay, and there is a three or four chances, I think. You should qualify within that. After that, you get a certificate. And whatever the concepts, ES1, ES2, whatever the concepts, right, you are seeing in exam, that I will teach you. Okay, and by learning the TOSCA concepts, right, you can easily grab the questions and you can easily crack that exam.
Mhm. I don't know. I think is any particular SAP related TOSCA is there or means I'm not sure in it what exactly it was. I think most of the because I'm currently at the SAP testing only, functional testing where I'm doing. Okay,
So
and I
SAP,
hear that
I'm
most of
not using.
yeah, mhm.
I'm not using any SAP applications here because I'm not the part of that. You came from SAP, right? So
Yes,
here
yes.
in this Tosca, I'm clearly telling you it is not SAP. I'm telling you about I'm taking an example of web applications and vehicle insurance applications. So these applications, I'm taking that. I'm giving an examples and scenarios and everything. I'll explain you. Okay, and this is not SAP, and um, so you know what I mean.
Mhm.
I'm here to teach you web applications and insurance applications. Um, I'm not the part of SAP. But once you know the TOSCA tool, right, how to use and when to use and how to create the scenarios, applications are
Mhm.
different kinds of things. I know, and
Mhm.
SAP,
No,
AP
SAP I
applications,
know.
everything.
I uh,
Uh,
I know all
SAP,
SAP everything.
yeah,
But
you can use that
how we can
application, and by
yeah,
using this tool, you can test the application. Okay.
because I need to master in that field only SAP TOSCA.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I understood, Suraj.
Yeah.
Anyone? Rafi, Robert, Prithvi, Lucy?
No. I don't have any.
Okay. Prithvi, any queries?
No, as of now, I'm good. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Robert?
No, as of now, no questions.
Okay, thank you. Rafi?
Oh, all right, no question.
Yeah. Suraj?
Nope. I have cleared as much of my doubt.
Yeah,
Uh,
Suraj. Yeah.
ac-
Thank you, everyone. Yeah. And
Hi, this
you
is
asked me?
Robert. I had one question. Actually, previously we had automation testing like Selenium we are using. So how it is different from Selenium, this Tosca application? Because it's a, I just read from the Google that it is not a open source. Uh, so is there any company
So,
using?
yeah, top MNC companies all are using here this TOSCA tool.
Okay,
And my company is a product-based company, but I'm not telling you this is a MNC company, but this is a startup company and just involved in product-based company, right? So this is a startup company that my company using Tosca tool. I know
okay,
this is see Google saying it is not open source, but I'm using the Tosca tool, right? I'm just you saw this everything. This is a tool that I'm using my personal email ID and I'm using this tool and I'm teaching the lessons and concepts, everything here only. It is very
oh,
similar. It is looks like as real time environment only, Robert. So
oh,
don't no need to pay. And this is open. I mean, I'm not saying open source. This is a trial version for you can use for few. I mean, I'm using since 6 months. Okay,
oh,
so that's
oh,
why I'm saying you don't need to pay anything. Just I just guide you. Okay, you should follow that guidance. That's it.
oh, oh, okay.
Hmm.
What is
And if you
course
take
fee?
a selenium, right? If you take a selenium, you should know the combination of Java and Python, right? Java,
Yes,
you
yes,
should know
not,
the coding.
yes,
And here,
yes.
yeah, here no need to no coding language. Here not required any programming language or scripting language. But if you take a Selenium, Selenium you should know the Zira tool, TestMG, Selenium testing, Java, Python. Any you should know all these things. But here Tosca here not needed.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So we can use this as a in cloud testing also, correct? Cloud.
Yeah, we can use this cloud, but right now I'm not using that.
Okay.
So clear? I hope you will all get clear about these topics and your queries.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you for participating in today's masterclass. We hope you gained useful insights and felt inspired. At eTech, we are here to help you start a successful career in data management. So thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Take care. Good night.
Thank you.